As the U.S. semiconductor industry continues to advance in the years ahead, Arizona will be the engine powering its growth.
TSMC announced it will triple in size, increasing investments in the city to $40 billion by adding 20,000 construction jobs and 4,300 full-time positions.
It's incredible. I mean, the announcement on Tuesday, having the president out here and all of the major CEOs from global companies here to celebrate the tooling ceremony was just incredible. So we're excited because Arizona truly is the epicenter of the semiconductor industry for the nation.
This company adds to a growing list of electric vehicle manufacturers and suppliers flocking to the state of Arizona.
Fully electric trucks built in Coolidge, Arizona.
Nikola joins companies such as Lucid, Electromechanica, Atlas Vehicles, and Zero Electric Vehicles to earn the moniker Made in Arizona.
Predictions say batteries will power even more of our future.
American Battery Factory says Tucson will be home to its first battery cell Gigafactory.
We actually, in fact, had 2 announcements in Tucson around the battery manufacturing. So there's a lot of activity. Arizona is really becoming a center of excellence for advanced manufacturing.
The training program is part of Drive 48, a collaboration among government, industry, and academia. Bolster Arizona's tech workforce training efforts.
I definitely feel fulfilled coming home, like that I've done something at work rather than just clocking in and clocking out.
Chandler Gilbert Community College is one of 3 campuses offering a boot camp style course designed to train future semiconductor processing technicians.
Industry titans continue to set up shop, creating thousands of new jobs and establishing Arizona as a worldwide tech hub.
In business, education, or healthcare, access to the internet is a lifeline to vital services.
With state revenues rolling in at nearly a record clip, Arizona will be able to implement the 2.5% flat income tax a year early.
Governor Ducey signing a historic water bill today. The legislation provides $1.2 billion over the next 3 years to help boost long-term water supplies for Arizona.
This legislation will ensure Arizona remains a magnet for revolutionary companies.
When it comes to what's next, the world is looking to Arizona.